preparation to clean the filament out of the nozzle. So I want to remove this roller. Put it aside. And then ultimately you want to remove the fan. And then when you've got these cables, you want to make sure that they don't get bent during the process. So remove them. You can remove them entirely, or if you're in a rush, you can just take them out. So. And just keep them off to the side of the metal, that the plastic doesn't touch it. Should be good, but you never know. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this down with either some pliers that have protection, or just go the old school way, like this. And then you're gonna heat it up with a heat gun around this area. And then you will be able to manipulate the plastic inside. So once you get it, the rubber, all of it, which you can use a tool like this, you'll be able to put it on the side of the plastic and then just pull it out slightly. And the warmer it gets, the easier it is to take out, and you can step over to the pliers, or a little bit heavier duty ones. You can just roll it out like this, pull it slowly, you'll feel it, the tension. And if there's too much tension, then you can also swap it around like this. Get to hold it like that and heat up this side of the nozzle so that you can remove the rest of the plastic. And then basically once you're done with that, you can put it all back together. I will not do that in this video because I'm going to remove it in the second video.